baby registry bag. So they gave us the Philips Advent anti-colic bottles, and they also gave us the Dr. Brown's bottle. So if you guys have tried either one, do you like them? Do you not? You know, what worked for you, what didn't? Any advice would help. First time mom here, so any advice would be greatly appreciated. We have the Huggies special delivery diapers for us to try. So these are the plant-based, hypoallergenic, all that good stuff, breathable. So they give us those. They gave us a couple samples of different wipes. So we got water wipes, 99.9% water, and then the Honest 99% water. So we got these two to try. We also have, the luxury diapers. So 2-pack of the Millie Moon. If you guys have tried these two, let me know. We have breast milk storage bags. I've seen these. These are pretty common. So these. We also have, let's see, the Decidin Maximum Strength Diaper Rash Paste. And then the Stretch Mark Palmer's, lotion. I already use this on top of like a different type of oil, and I love this, so I'm glad they added that in there. They also gave us a free sample of the Dreft Infant Newborn Laundry Detergent. So I know that's pretty common for people to use as like a baby laundry detergent. And then the Aquifer Healing Ointment. They gave us a sample of that. And last but not least, boogie wipes. I didn't even know this was like a thing, so that's interesting to use. But yeah, so that's what they gave us. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna review the Amazon welcome kit that we get, once you become a Prime member, buy $10, or somebody buys $10 worth of something on your registry. So once I get my Amazon welcome gift box, I'll go ahead and review that too.